Efforts to vaccinate minority groups in Colombia continue today. Thanks for joining us tonight at 5. I'm Deborah Kendrick. ABC 17's Chanel Porter is live in Colombia for us tonight. Chanel, members of Colombia's Black community were able to get vaccinated at the Progressive Missionary Baptist Church today.
Deb, the Live Well by Faith program at the health department put on the event here today because of barriers that Black Americans face in receiving their vaccine, as well as an ongoing gap in healthcare access and bias in the medical field.
I think that every community ought to be reaching out, and especially the churches, because African Americans and people of color are comfortable with the church setting.
130 vaccine appointments were booked at the event to people eligible in current tiers.
And as we know, the Black community is more affected by COVID-19 and more severe outcomes.
According to the CDC, non-Hispanic Black Americans are 1.1 times more likely to contract COVID and 1.9 times more likely to die of it.
I've only had one person tell me absolutely that they would not take a shot.
Ratliff said many people have contacted her to help them in getting signed up through online surveys. She said it was easier for them to take care of their shot at a place that they were familiar with.
And we are trying to reach out to our community to let the African Americans and people of color know that this vaccine is not harmful. It's going to be helpful.
Healthcare worker Faith Mejia received her vaccine at the church today after being eligible for months.
I was scared at first. COVID is real, that this is serious, that I have dealt with and taken care of people with this.
Mejia said after months of seeing the positive effect on the community, it was time for her to get vaccinated. If there were leftover doses today, the healthcare department said they would go towards vaccinating those who are homebound to avoid waste. Reporting live in Columbia, Chanel Porter, ABC 17 News.
Okay, Chanel, thank you. The health department has done similar outreach vaccination clinics at Paquin Towers and Oak Towers. It also continues to reach out to people who are homebound in efforts to reach all people in Columbia.